Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough.
Okay, you saw me tacking up the transmission mount. This is what I've started with. This is just a T-brace I'm putting on it, and I needed to do a spacer off of these. So these are 3/4 inch 7/8 wall tubing, or 7/8 by like quarter wall. These metric bolts still fit inside. I made 1/2 inch holes on this plate, and you'll see that in the drawing a little bit. So what I'm doing is making this a little bit more complicated than it needs to, but that's kind of how I want to design it. These plates will lay on here on this outside of this 1¼ inch DOM. Like that. And I wanted these here as a spacer. Pardon me, I can't hold on to my material properly. So these will hold on to here like a spacer. And these are spaced just well enough that they will clear. And then once they're welded on, I will trim them, because you can see how much taller this is. So this one lays in here, but the whole reason these are set up this way, I have these poly bushings from Rough Stuff. They're the same ones I used on the motor mounts that I'll use on the transmission mount, so they're matching material, so they don't, one doesn't flex more than the other. And the reason why I have this DOM tubing is to space room for the bolt goes. And to help with alignment, what I do is take the tubing, and I'll take my impact socket, and I'll use an impact socket because they're a lot thicker. And if I know that this one fits, then a standard socket will fit, and if it is to become an issue, I will exchange these bolts out for Allen bolts so I can get in there. But what I wanted to do to make sure this thing has better alignment, I wrapped my socket with some electrical tape so it fits a little bit tighter, because without it, it moves a lot. But with putting the electrical tape on the socket, made it fit a little bit better. What I did is I had it bolted in. The Sharpie did it out. I'm going to tack it with the TIG welder, so both of these tubes will go on just fine. And I want them as a spacer, so when I start laying in these pieces, they fall in the correct spot. These plates won't be welded fully yet. What I'm doing is getting these spacers on so I can actually pinch to this with a Betsy clamp or another slide C clamp. And once these two pieces of tubing that the poly bushings are in are tacked on, I will take it off of this as a jig, basically, and fully weld the bottom side where this marries to the bracket, right there, on both sides. And then lay back on the plate, and I will fully weld them out, and then that will go back in the chassis. And alright, so this is it not fully welded, this is it just resting. This one is going to get shortened to match that line. And I'll cut it with a cutoff wheel, I believe, is how it's the best way I'm going to do it. And then I'll weld around the top. This one will get cut at an angle. It's just enough to have alignment for the socket when it goes in. Alright guys, I got this fully welded. It's not hot now. I went and cooled it down. I'm not trying to rush it, but I want to get this put together so I can start on the main cross member piece, because I got probably an hour or so into designing that. But it's fully welded. I welded all the way underneath here on all 4 sides technically, and a little bit on the inside that I could get with that Pyrex cup that I'm running. Now I'm going to verify that I put it on the right spot, because it can only go on one way, because how far this sticks over, it goes right where the drive line is if I put it on the wrong side. It needs to go to the driver's side because I run a passenger drive line. So this will go in, this one's ready to go on. Let's slip together like this. And I will fully weld this one on before I cut these stanchion tubes off. And then once these stanchion tubes are cut all the way, I will, because I know this is actually supposed to go there, I will fully weld as much as I can get on top of these. The sides will get welded, and the very top of this one will get welded around the sides and through the center of this pocket as much as I can get in there without contaminating the tungsten.
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking